Hey guys, ghouls and gremlins, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my frightful family. For today's video, we're just making a quick, easy barbecue chicken sandwich with homemade coleslaw. I just threw about 5 chicken breasts in my Instapot, cooked it on slow for 4 hours, and now I'm just shredding it up. Once we have that all shredded up, we're just going to be adding some barbecue sauce. Go ahead and use whatever barbecue sauce your family likes. For me, I only had on hand the G Hughes maple brown sugar-free barbecue sauce. I really enjoy this barbecue sauce. It's really good even for being sugar-free, so that's what I'm using. Gonna mix all that in. I didn't measure at all, just to the consistency that you like. Do you want it a little bit drier? Then don't add as much. If you like it more on the wet side, then add more. You and your family are the ones that are gonna eat it, so make it the way that you like. Just mix it up till it's well combined. Next, we are whipping up this delicious homemade coleslaw. This is my mom's recipe that she always made when I was a kid. I hate coleslaw. I won't eat any other coleslaw but this recipe. So we're just emptying in a 14-ounce bag of coleslaw mix. To that, we're going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together. Again, to the consistency that you like. If you like it a little bit drier or wetter, you know what to do. Add a little bit more mayonnaise. And all of the recipes will be in the description box below if you are interested. To serve this, our family likes to eat it on hamburger buns. Just put some of the barbecue chicken mix on the bottom, top it with the coleslaw, eat it in a bun like a hamburger. It is so good. as always, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. I want to hear from you. See you in the next one.